नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब गजाली कार्यावळीन फोंडेचे बाय इलेक्शन कॅन्सल जाल्या उपरांत सध्या काँग्रेस पक्षान एक स्पेशल लीव पिटिशन फायल केल्लें आसा सुप्रीम कोर्टात आनी त्या स्पेशल लीव पिटिशना वरवीं जर ते जिखले काँग्रेस जाल्यार फोंड्या बाय इलेक्शन जावपाक शकता. आतां ह्या विशयाचेर उलोवपा खातीर आमी दोन एक्सपर्ट्स आमचे मदीं आसा. एक म्हणजे एडवोकेट सिद्धार्थ सामंत, जे हाजे पयलीं आमचे खूब फावटी आमचे बरोबर जोडल्या, आनी आमचे बरोबर आसा एडवोकेट क्लियोफात कोतिन्हो, अनदर लीगल एक्सपर्ट. सो आय वील स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्लियोफात बाब. First of all, your first reaction ki SLP is filed by Congress, and what could be the fate of this SLP?
See, the fate of SLP is that it has to be decided fast. Muge Bashin, this should have been filed by the Election Commission of India. There would have been more seriousness with the matter. The fact that the Congress party has filed, I don't see that anything wrong with it. But party is an interested party. Congress party is always an interested party. We have already lost some time now. It would have been great if it was filed, say, the next day, immediately. But in any case, some time has gone, and it also depends upon how much energy they use, how much urgency they show in this petition. It should not become an academic exercise like our petitions in the matter of defection. But we have to consider that there's a very serious point involved, particularly because our area, that is the Bombay High Court, has now decided by way of two petitions, one, the Sarodi judgment from Nagpur, and now in Goa, that the time is 1 year for the person to be elected. And there are other views of other high courts which would not apply to us. So for us in Goa and people from Maharashtra, this is requiring an urgent attention. I only hope that it is heard fast.
So it should
Mugebashi,
be
if it is heard
heard
fast,
fast. First of all, I think
fast,
it is.
and further, if it was heard with the urgency, and the urgency was that that the counting is on in first week of May, and that is why it is required to be heard. And please hear it and give some order. If that was done, it would have been great. But now I don't think it will be possible before the counting date, simply because the other side will have to be heard, and
Okay,
that
the
would take
caveats are
time.
filed
But
by both the parties who went to the High Court.
even if it is in the month of May,
Okay, so
even if
it
it is
won't
heard
happen.
thereafter, it would not be infructuous. If it is heard prior to the time when, say, the next election comes, or say 3 or 4 months or 5 months before the next elections.
Okay, Advocate Samant तुमचे कडल्यान की do you think that this will work and finally there will be elections in Ponda?
Very difficult to presuppose what will happen, and I really wouldn't want to do that also. Now that the matter is before Honorable Supreme Court, I'm sure they will do what is best possible within the given circumstances. म्हजे म्हणणे दोन गोष्टी. एक म्हणतात ते आता सरोटेचो जजमेंट आयलो, हो एक जजमेंट आयलो. देर आर कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग व्ह्यूज ऑफ अदर हायकोर्ट. सो इन दिस सिनारिओ, the law has to be set properly by the Supreme Court, and that is in the interest of everybody. आज हे फोंड्याक जाला, फाल्यां आनी कोणाकूय जावपाक शकता, गोंयान किंवा भारतान खंय. So one thing is, we should, I wish the Supreme Court takes this opportunity to set law right. And according to me, if you ask me my personal opinion, what should happen in the matter, I have always been saying this. I have said it in past on your channel, other channels also. I will say it again. interest of the any judgment that serves best interest of Fonekars, that is getting representation for Ponda people. I think a judgment which puts this on track is what I would want to welcome, or I would expect to be welcome.
दोतोर माय क्वेश्चन इज टू एडवोकेट सामंत की इतलो टायम लॅप्स जाल्ले आसा जसो क्लिओफत बाब म्हणटा की इट शूड हॅव बीन डन इन इमर्जन्सी किंवा अर्जन्सी ती अर्जन्सी ना अशी दिसता तुमकां
ना, I think, see, कितें आसा, फायनली टू प्रिपेर अ पिटिशन, ड्राफ्ट अ पिटिशन, फायल इट, आणि फायल केलें म्हणून जायना, ती मेन्शन करून जुईजा फुडें हाडपाक, दीज आर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह, एका आदोगादाकूच खबर आसता कितलो टायम लागता हे सगळें काम करपा खातीर. ज्या पद्दतीन जजमेंट तो आयला पळय 7 तारखेक 8 तारखेक, थंयच्या पासून ते 8 तारखे पासून आज पर्यंत चड टायम वेस्ट जाला असो दिसना, कित्याक मदीं हॉलिडे सुद्दां आशिल्ले, सॅटर्डे संडे. So I don't think so there has been delay. Whoever, I am not supporting one party or another party. I am also not criticizing election commission or whatever, or even the judgment that has come. Everybody is right in their own way. आता हातून कितें बरें घडटा तितलेंच पळोवपाचें. So I think everybody, whoever has filed this petition, I am sure Supreme Court, I am sure the election commission also. Of course, I do not hold any brief for them. Neither I have any love for them or hate for them. But what I am saying is, I am sure they also must be contemplating, challenging, because judgment certainly has gone against them.
so
Whatever they were supporting before.
respondents in this case right now what we saw in the morning are election commission of India.
Correct. Election Commission has to be a respondent, and whatever, whether they file another petition or don't file another petition, since they are respondents, they will be able to take whatever defenses or whatever their say is concerned in this petition itself. So, according to me, election petition will be heard at length as far as this petition is concerned. So yes, but I suppose and I believe that, or I would rather want election petition also, election commission also comes up with a similar petition.
ओके ॲडव्होकेट क्लिओफत बाब सॉरी सर एक सांगा म्हाका की हायकोर्टान जेन्ना केस आशिल्ली तेन्ना हे दोगी जाण एका सायडीक आशिल्ले म्हणजे आयडियल्ली की काँग्रेसाकूय ती इलेक्शन जाय जाल्लें आशिल्लें दुसऱ्या वटेन पळयत जाल्यार इलेक्शन कमिशनाकूय तें इलेक्शन जाय जाल्लें सद्या सुप्रीम कोर्टान पळयत जाल्यार दे आर वन इज पिटिशनर अनदर इज रिस्पॉन्डंट. Can you just explain what is this situation? So,
No,
who
no.
would be actually opposing the petition?
That petition was filed by private parties, where the Election Commission of India was a respondent. Now the petition is filed by a affected party who was not a party before the High Court. And because they are the petitioners, both Election Commission of India and the petitioners are respondents. Now, if another petition is filed by the Election Commission of India, all the parties would be again respondents, including the petitioners in the Goa case. So basically, all parties would be there. See, this is a petition by the Congress party who was not before the court.
Correct. So now they are affected
Now
party.
they are the petitioners, and all will have to be heard. That means basically, Election Commission will have to be heard, and the private parties who had gone to the High Court in Goa, they would
सो
have to be heard.
दोगांनी कॅविएट फायल केल्ली दोन जे पिटिशनर्स आशिल्ले हायकोर्टान तांणी बी कॅविएट फायल केल्ली सो ताका लागून आय थिंक नोटिसीस वील बी सर्व टू देम एंड दे वील हॅव टू ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्ड.
No, but since they have filed caveat, services of notices may be easier. The advocate who has filed a caveat would be heard. So, according to me, it is possible that the matter is heard fast. It is possible. आणि
ओके सो माय बेसीक क्वेश्चन म्हणजे एक सामान्य मनशाक कळपा सारकी की हायकोर्टान इट वॉज टू पिटिशनर्स वर्सीस अदर्स आशिल्ले आनी आतां पळयत जाल्यार जे अदर्स आसा पळय न्ही दे आर अलॉंग विथ द पिटिशनर्स. सो इफ इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया सेज की अवर नोटिफिकेशन इज वॅलिड and it should not be set aside, it should not be considered null and void, then it gives strength to the election commission.
Can take all stands which they have taken before the High Court. additionally, they can also file a petition and challenge the order of the High Court. If such a thing happens, then Election Commission of India would be a petitioner in one case, and in another case it would be the respondent. There is nothing. These are routine things that happen.
ओके, सो एडवोकेट सामंत तुमच्या खातीर की डू यू थिंक की ECI जर गेल्ले ह्या हातून केसीन जाल्यार इट वूड हॅव बीन बेटर, इट वूड हॅव बीन मोर स्ट्रॉंगर केस?
Stronger case for whom? If CI wants to challenge it, yes, they will challenge it. But my fundamental
No, ECI has
point
not
is,
challenged it.
see,
The unique
correct,
situation
now
here
they have
is
not-
that
they-
Congress has challenged it and ECI is a respondent
Correct.
now.
correct. So if EC, so that's what would it have been better? काय म्हणले ना, better for whom? That's what I'm saying. If ECI is aggrieved by it, then ECI has to go and challenge it. That's one aspect of the matter. But the way I look at it, in a democracy, whichever part it might be, पोंडा असू नाल्यार आनी कोण, तांकां रिप्रेझेंटेशन मेळपाक जाय. So ताका लागून any interpretation which better serves the democracy, representation, voice of the people, your representation in the assembly has to be given. And if by whatever reason, I'm saying, I'm not criticizing the judgment earlier or this, if it can't be done through legal ways, Supreme Court is entitled to set law right under 142 also, by taking an exception to this judgment, by setting the law right as far as this petition also. Or if not, according to me, the parliament should step in. But but a meaningful interpretation of 151A has to be given, and that is to provide representation to the people, voice of the people. And आता म्हाका सांग, there are in democracy there are only two ways of solving any problem. एक रस्त्यार येवपाचे, नाजाल्यार तुजे एक जो सेटअप दिला पळय तातूंतल्यान तुजे प्रश्न मांडपाचे. आता फोंड्याचे जे कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसात, तांचे कितें जॉबाचे प्रॉब्लम शकता, रस्त्याचे स्पेसिफीक प्रॉब्लम आसपाक शकता, तांकां जर थंय प्रॉब्लम जालो त्यांच्या वतीन हो प्रश्न मांडून आता नेक्स्ट 1 वर्ष उरला, 1 वर्ष दे विल गो विदाउट एनी रिलेशन. फोंडेकारांचे प्रश्न मांडपाचे कोणी, हो माझो प्रश्न. सो हो प्रश्न, ह्या प्रश्नाचे आन्सर एकमेव की तांकां रिप्रेझेंटेशन मेळपाचें. आता म्हजो द वे अँड मोस्ट वाय आय एम सेइंग इज, रवी बाब जेन्ना भायर पडलो पळय, तो ऑक्टोबरान भायर पडलो. थंयच्यान जवळ जवळ ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 वर्ष किंवा 1 वर्ष 4 महिने तरी आशिल्ले. सो इलेक्शन जाय जाल्यार इलेक्शन कमिशनान पर्टिक्युलर, अगेन आय एम सेइंग that it is not easy. There are so many things that election commission has to factor out. रोल तुझे रेडी जावपाक जाय, ते चॅलेंजीस असता, गव्हर्नमेंट मशिनरी हॅज टू बी मूव्ड, सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देर. ते सगळे गोष्टी करता परत इलेक्शन केन्नाय घेवपाक मेळना. तुज्या एग्जामी केन्ना त्यो पळोवच्यो पडटा, आनी कसले फेस्टिवल पळोवचे पडटा, लोकांची शेताची कामां आसता. सो त्या टायमार आयले जाल्यार वोटींग कमी जातले मागीर. हे सगळे फॅक्टर आउट करून इलेक्शन कमिशन इलेक्शन घेता. पूण हे कितें म्हटलें तरी कितें फॅक्ट रिमेन्स दॅट एक जवळ जवळ 1 वर्ष 5 महिने आशिल्ले. सो इलेक्शन जाय जाल्यार त्या पद्दतीन घेवपा येताले. 1 वर्ष नव्या मनशाक येताले. नाव इफ दिस इज नॉट बीन हेल्ड प्रॉपरली बाय इलेक्शन कमिशन और whoever responsible, why should Fondekar suffer is my question. कोणाची तरी मिस्टेक, why should Fondekars be crucified for a mistake which they have not committed?
Obviously.
अरे उस प्लान का क्या हुआ?
इस वीकेंड पे चले क्या?
गाइस, हिमाचल और केरला?
नहीं यार, इट्स टू कोल्ड. तो फिर गोवा चले क्या?
ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर इट. डन. फ्लाइट टिकट्स तो बुक हो गई है,
पर वहाँ घूमेंगे कैसे?
रेंट कार बुक करें?
ओके.
अरे यार, ये तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है.
अरे हाँ, गोवा है यार, बाइक ले लेते हैं.
ओके.
भैया हमें रेंट बाइक देखना है, कुछ नया, पावरफुल, स्टाइलिश.
कितना दिन के लिए चाहिए?
2 दिन के लिए.
तो ये वाला लीजिए, होंडा का डिओ 125
ओह
सीसी.
नाइस.
The all-new Honda Dio 125. Bold design, powerful 125cc performance, and smooth rides made for Goa.
रेंट कार नहीं लिया वो बेस्ट डिसीजन था.
बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल राइड थी.
और काफी स्टाइलिश भी है.
और हैंडलिंग भी स्मूथ है.
Also, it was a great fun.
Yes.
Honda Dio 125. Rent it, ride it, live Goa.
Clifford, my question is that ह्या आता SLP जातले पळय, will it set a precedent for future? म्हणजे आता जेन्ना जेन्ना बाय इलेक्शन जातली तेन्ना कितें करपाचें पडटलें? एक वर्स टेन्युअर, इज इट गोइंग टू बी काउंटेड फ्रॉम द न्यू मेंबर्स टेन्युअर ऑर वेकन्सी? हे एक प्रेसिडेंट सेट जातलो आनी प्रॉपर तेतून आनी कन्फ्युजन उरचें ना अशें दिसता तुमकां?
मुगे भाशेन हे सगळे पॉयंट सेटल जातले. वन. नंबर टू, मे बी the Supreme Court also talks about that 6 months. The Election Commission also must act with the alacrity the situation warrants. One. आणि दुसरी मुट्टे हांव सांगपाक सोदता, मुगे भाशेन तरी Election Commission should have gone to the Supreme Court immediately. See, Election Commission has its infrastructure to move the Supreme Court already there. They have their councils in place. They are already there with this matter. So according to me, and Congress party was not before the court. So from that perspective, it was easier for the Election Commission. But certainly, I am of the opinion that even if the Election Commission has faltered, the people from Ponda must not suffer. And finally, it is fundamental in a democracy that people are represented. So
ओके
somehow,
तर एक पळयलें, आय एम जस्ट इंटरप्टिंग.
job given to the Election Commission. If this job was given to the Election Commission, and if the court has come to the conclusion that it is the Election Commission that has faltered, and if the Election Commission feels that it was within their right to wait for such a long time, then according to me, they should have moved the court. They should have moved the court and moved the court with speed that the situation warranted.
वर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग की ते राती जेन्ना ते दनपरां जेन्ना एक हें आयलें की नोटिफिकेशन नल एंड वॉयड करचें म्हणून तुमी एक्सपेक्ट करताले की 4:30 म्हणसर तर एटलिस्ट ते सुप्रीम कोर्टान वतले म्हणून? कारण रात 7 म्हणसर तेन्ना हें आयिल्लें म्हणजे डिटेल जजमेंट वचा.
I was expecting them to move the court the next day, on the 9th. On 8th, it would be difficult. The order was available by 7:15, and according to me, they could have moved the Supreme Court on the 9th. Everything is ready as far as their infrastructure to move the court, that is already there. So they don't have to hire counsel. Their hire counsel must be there. Their legal team must be there. So according to them, it was easy for them. I do not know why somehow the Election Commission has shown lethargy in firstly announcing the elections and now lethargy in moving to Supreme Court. It appears there is some design there.
ओके, अनदर थिंग, फाल्यां समज तांणी 4 मे म्हणसर कांयच हाजो रिजल्ट येवना, माय क्वेश्चन इज फॉर टू बोथ ऑफ यू एक्सपर्ट्स, जाल्यार 4 मे नंतर समज रिजल्ट आयलो जाल्यार वॉट हॅपन्स अगेन? द बाय इलेक्शन कॅन बी हेल्ड?
The by-election can be held if the court comes to the conclusion that 1 year has to be taken from the time of death, then the people from Ponda has a right to be represented in the house, and it is the duty of the Election Commission to conduct elections.
ओके, सो ते जावं शकता की सपोजिटली फाल्यां नंतर सुद्दां एक वर्डिक्ट आयलें जाल्यार
जावपाक शकता, but only thing, according to me, people who have moved the court has to show little extra urgency. They have to push the court. They may have to mention it before the Supreme Court. They may have to use all stops to see that they move the court in getting the relief fast and getting the matter heard.
ओके, सो यू माय क्वेश्चन इज टू एडवोकेट सामंत. सर, म्हाका एक सांगा की वॉट इज युअर प्रेडिक्शन रायट नाव? SLP इज फायल्ड, आय थिंक नोटिसीस आर बींग इश्यूड रायट नाव, सो वॉट इज युअर प्रेडिक्शन फोंड्या बाय इलेक्शन जातलें काय जावचें ना?
Very difficult to predict that. Nobody, honestly to tell you, nobody knows whether election will happen or not. Election will happen only if the present judgment is set aside. Until and such time, I don't think so. So that all depends upon how hearing folds up before the Supreme Court. According to me, unless and until we have to wait and watch. That's the only thing. Wishful thinking. I want elections to be held. I want elections to be held. I want representation for Ponda people. I can
Okay,
only speak for
Kirafat,
myself.
what is your prediction?
So far, notices have not been issued. It will have to come up before the court. They have to get a date for hearing. Then only notices would be issued and it would be heard. So at least some time for the other party to be represented. Of course, since they have filed caveat, they are there before the court. Let us see. Let us
So
hope
will
that,
it happen or will it not happen? Because you are one of the most experienced lawyer.
ना ते कोणाच्यानी सांगपाक जायना. See, we have seen that when it comes to the choice of chief minister by the governor, the Supreme Court has sat overnight and decided the matters. So it also depends upon how much urgency is shown by the parties. If petitions are filed and no urgency is shown, then it may not get heard only.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for both of you. So this was Hub Ghazali. आम्ही डिस्कस करताले about special leave petition which is filed before Supreme Court by Congress whether Fonda by election will happen or not at the end of this special leave petition. So thank you for watching us. Keep watching Goa News.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु। अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद। कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु।
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी। पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो।